Hello Bloomies! Welcome back to Can Pick One Art. I'm Binna and this is the Botanical Bloom drawing class number 13. The flower of this month is rose, and since Halloween is right around the corner, we will also bring a little festive twist. Halloween in New York is always full of energy. The city's parade is such a popular event. I joined once or twice during my early New York years, and it was so much fun seeing everyone in creative costumes. Now back to our bloom class. I was wondering what might be the easiest way to paint roses, and found the inspiration sitting right next to me. This rifle paper notebook. The delicate rose design felt like a perfect starting point. It's not my usual go-to style, but sometimes it's refreshing to try something new. Last week, we used watercolor, so today we will explore something different. Gouache! Today's class has two parts. Practice painting roses using gouache. Create happy Halloween pumpkin illustration with roses using acrylic paints. So, let's get started. I'm using two brushes today. One flat round brush and later a finer brush for details. To start, paint a small circle in the center. This will be the rose hearts. Then use your flat round brush to paint petals around it. Think of each stroke like a thick curved line. Press the brush firmly and release, as if you are scraping paint gently. That natural snap of your wrist is important. It creates the petal's rhythm and shape. Unlike watercolor, I don't use much water here. I treat gouache more like acrylic paint. Now let's repeat the same steps using different colors. A circle in the middle, petals around it, and firm, confident strokes. You will see me layering several times. Each layer adds depth and softness to the rose. Use a slightly darker colors to suggest shadow. This gives the flower more form. For the second rose, I'm adding 3 color layers, while the third flower has 2, plus thin lines on each petals for highlights. For the third flower, it is not actually a rose, but I wanted to include it as a fun extra. For the first rose, this will be the final layer. So what do you think? Does it feel easier now to paint roses? Now let's move to the second part, painting a cheerful Halloween pumpkin surrounded by roses. Start by painting the background dark. If you have black mixed media paper, that's perfect. I'm using my special Botanical Bloom sketchbook, so I will paint the background myself. First, apply a thin white layer. This helps the other colors pop. Then layer tones of orange, yellow, and deep red, the classic Halloween palette. We will use the same gouache technique, building colors gradually. Think of this as a painterly sketch, loose and expressive. Add some joyful touches to your pumpkin, maybe a smiling face or glowing highlights. And that's it. The piece feels full of warmth and colors. This one came out more painterly than the gouache version, and that always happens to me when using acrylics. Before we wrapped up, I wanted to share a quick glimpse of my recent floral arrangement for a restaurant in NYC. They love grand, classic designs with orchids and branches, and instead of going all in with spooky Halloween decor, I added elegance with pumpkins. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful weekend and see you next Friday for another Botanical Bloom class. Bye, Bloomies!